Hello. Enough things have changed about Aardvark in the last few weeks that I wanted to record a new quick getting started video for users. I'm running version 1.5.4. If you happen to be running something newer, it's possible that things will look slightly different. If you're running something much older, you should upgrade to 1.5.4 because it has a bunch of bug fixes and other user interface improvements. To start, look at your left thumb. You'll see a little gear icon, and you can tap that with your right index finger to bring up the gadget menu. Gadget menu allows you to create gadgets and scan other people's gadgets. Under this hammer and gear, or hammer and wrench icon, which you can tap with your finger, you will find a couple of example gadgets, the most developed of which is this whiteboard gadget. If you pull that out, you can close your hand around it, move it around, and I pulled it out by closing my hand around it. You can move your hand around any of these pens, close your hand, and draw with them. Tap any of these paint buckets, that will change the color. And that's basically that. When you're done with the whiteboard, move your hand over this handle at the bottom, press and hold the A button on your controller, and you'll see two options, favorite and recycle. If we move our hand to recycle, then the gadget will disappear. We also have this test panel gadget that I will use to demonstrate how to interact with panels, which you do just by poking them with your finger. So every time you increment that, it will do a thing. Some of the time you'll see a message box appear attached to your face. Here's an example of that. And when you interact with that, just tap it with your finger. And again, we'll delete this to make it disappear. There are not very many gadgets set up for everyone to use at the moment. If you happen to be working on a gadget, let me know and I'd be happy to add it to this list. This is the Aardvark gadget that came from the hackathon back in September. And if I drag that out, it takes a little while to start up because it has a lot of code to load from the internet. Then I will get a button that lets me discard all the cards, and a deck that lets me reach out and grab a card. And that is a Jack of Spades. Ace of Hearts. And I believe if I grab this, it will discard them all. So that's Aardvark.